So ear candles come in all types of packaging and different brands, but they're all basically the same. It's going to be either beeswax or paraffin wax, or maybe I said that wrong, paraffin wax, I'm not sure. This particular brand has 4 ear candles in it, and it comes with a protective disc. In the past we've used paper plates, but today we're going to try this disc. And it comes with directions, and that's it. Okay, so now the ear candle is burning, and I have started timing this, so I'll be able to tell you exactly how long it takes. Basically, you're just pushing the candle through the protective disc that comes with the ear candles, and you light the widest end of the candle, and then you place the small end of the candle into the ear, and then you hold your ear as best as you can in the vertical position. You don't want to force the ear candle into your ear. And when the flame reaches the breaking ring, then you want to remove it and extinguish the ear candle in the water. And I wanted to tell you about some of the benefits of these ear candles. We do this occasionally to clean our ears out. It's kind of like an ear, nose, and throat thing. It helps clean out like your sinuses in a way. The ear canal gets filled with warm air, which softens the earwax in your ear. And basically what happens is the vapors enhance blood flow in your ear canal, and then the warm rising air is going to create a vacuum chimney type effect at the base of the candle, and this is going to help draw out all the waste deposits that are stuck in your ear and moisture and water from the ear canal. And I actually had a friend one time who couldn't hear out of his right ear, and he actually used one of these, and after using it could hear better. But you will be astonished at what you will find inside these ear candles after you do one of these. And that's why I think it's really kind of cool that it's actually cleaning your ear out in a way. So we're going to wait for this ear candle to stop burning, and I will let you know how long it takes when I come back. Okay, I'm not trying to be gross or anything, but basically this is what comes out of the ear canal when you do a ear candle. It basically cleans your ear out. I highly recommend. These are very cheap and good for you, so you should do it 2 or 3 times a year. That's all, folks.